The text view expects certain types of values. It does not work. It's not expecting an integer. So here you're passing in hi, which is a type of int, and it doesn't know what to do with it. So we use what we call string interpolation, and it's a nice big word that I can hardly pronounce, but string interpolation. Goodness. String interpolation. You read it all the time, but you don't say it very often. What we will do is there's a shortcut to enclose the integer so that it will be rendered as text. And you do that by in front of the parameter name, you're going to add a quote, and then you're going to do a backslash and then an open parentheses. Now, notice it automatically filled in the quote, it added that second. I want to delete that and then go to the end and then put a closing parentheses and then a closing quotation. So now, all of a sudden, the error has gone away. But again, notice that what we've done is we've put quotation, backslash, open parentheses, and then closing parentheses and quotation. We can do the same thing here. Basically, again, when you start typing, it's going to want to help you figure it out, but I'm going to click the delete button so that I can enter the parentheses, and then I use the arrow keys, move over, and then add the closing parentheses and text. So now, notice that we've got the numbers showing up. So now we have the integers. We passed 70 and 50 and 60 and 40. So now they're showing up.